Hello, students. Welcome to the world of accountancy. I hope you all are fine. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now, to this video, I'll introduce you the meaning of the term accounting. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, the name of first chapter is Introduction to Accounting. It itself asks us to tell the meaning of accounting. But before telling you the meaning of accounting, I just want to tell you the answer of some other question. Why we need accounting, what purpose it will fulfill, and finally the main question of the chapter, that is what is accounting. Now, for telling you the need and purpose of accounting, I am taking help of a story. In that story, one character is there whose name is Samir, who just set up a business of grocery store by investing rupees 10,000. And for that shop, he just trying to search some property to be taken on rent. When he got the right property, he took it on rent. Then he starts searching a place from where he can get the grocery item at cheaper price. Once he got the place, he purchased items worth rupees 5,000, and out of which 4,000 was paid immediately, whereas 1,000 is still payable to the supplier. Then, just after purchase of raw material, Samir make a sale to a customer for grocery item worth rupees 600, and that customer pays 600 rupees immediately. And just after that sale, one more sale was made by Samir to a customer who is known to Samir, and that sale was of rupees 300, and that person says that he will pay that money after some time. Now, similarly, so many other sales and purchase were made by Samir during the month. And at the end of the month, Samir has to pay rent, electricity bill, payment of banner which he uses for advertisement, tea and coffee which he uses for refreshment of customers. But Samir is preparing all the detail roughly. And at the end of the month, that is on 31st March, supplier was standing outside, electricity company is asking for their bill, banner maker is also standing outside for their bill, and Samir is not having sufficient cash since Samir is preparing rough records. Even with that, customers to whom balance is due, he does not know how much amount is receivable from them since he is not preparing any record, or whatsoever record is there, that is in rough format. So no analysis can be done. He is in worry. He decided to call one of his friends, Sumit, who is a chartered accountant, and told him about his problem and asked him to help him. Sumit says, tell me that whether your records are in a systematic manner or not. Since Samir is preparing simple and rough records, he does not know how to prepare record according to accounting. Then Sumit told, use accounting for preparing your record. Immediately Samir asked, can accounting helps in preparing accounting reports? And can it be helpful in taking important decision? Sumit replies, if you keep records through accounting, then those things can be tackled easily. Then in curiosity, Samir asks, tell me what is accounting? Now on listening the problem faced by Samir, Sumit told him the initial record which you are keeping are known as bookkeeping. Through bookkeeping, you are not capable of getting result like how much amount is due from which customer and how much amount is payable to whom. Now, for that purpose, you need separate information of each individual. That information is provided by classifying. Once classification is done, then by using the outcome of all those classification, we can do analysis. Analysis is done in accounting through final accounts. Now, through analysis, you will came to know whether by the processing of accounting you are getting profit or loss. Now at the end, whatsoever is the outcome, that outcome must be informed to its users. That portion is known as reporting. Now after reading the explanation given on previous slide, we can drive the definition of accounting, which is accounting refers to collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting the information of business in monetary form. Here in accounting, we will collect financial information. After having knowledge of financial information, we start recording, and after recording, we will drive summarized result, and that through that summarized result, we will drive analysis. Analysis is done through profit and loss account, which gives us profit or loss, and we will report that profit or loss to its user, and who will use that information for taking decisions. Through definition given on previous slide, characteristics of accounting are: first, accounting is an art as well as science. Since accounting involves skill and experience, it is known as art. And when we do accounting, we use certain principle and laws which are universally applicable. Therefore, accounting is also known as science. Now, recording of financial transaction. In accounting, we always record financial transaction. All other events, whatsoever importance they may have, if they are not of financial character, are to be ignored. Such events involve strike by employee, dispute between employee. Third, recording in term of money. First, we have to identify the event in term of finance. Then, we will measure them in form of money. And recording is always done in form of money. Fourth, once you record the transaction, you have to write transaction of similar nature at one place. And the place is known as account, which represents all relevant transaction from one head is to be placed at one location. Now, summary. Outcome of all the accounts or classification is to be transferred to a place that is known as trial balance, and that transfer is known as summarizing. Now, after preparation of summary statement, we will do interpretation. Interpretation of accounting means preparation of trading and profit and loss account, which interpret the outcome of the financial activities which we had done during the period. Finally, the last one, communication. The outcome of interpretation, whether profit or loss, is to be communicated to its user so they can take decision on the basis of information provided by that. Now, at end, I am closing my video here. Thank you, goodbye, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And in next class, we will study characteristics of accounting in deep. Bye.